So there is a lot of emotions that we go through in our everyday lives. And as actors, we have to portray them the best we possibly can to relive other people's experiences. So make sure that you have a really good understanding of someone who's really sad and practice in the mirror like this. And sometimes it's harder to try not to cry than just cry, and that's okay. Now, somebody might be really, really happy. Can you think about that? A really happy person? Maybe they're like ecstatically happy. And there's a range that you can go through with happy and sad, you know, it's not just one thing, okay? But to practice these in the mirror. And then you've got like, maybe a really angry person. Okay? And again, they can be super, super angry. And some other emotions we can do, so we've done angry, happy, sad. We could do confused, okay? Confused emotion. Just think about, what did you do this morning? It's kind of just like practicing like that in front of the mirror until you get it perfect. And so just practice at home. If you have any questions, you can post below if you get stuck on a certain emotion. Sometimes it's really difficult to find that within yourself, but you know, practice makes perfect and you've got to start somewhere. So I'll see you guys soon, catch my next video, and I'm happy that you're all here. So see you soon, bye.